Great home updated 3 years ago. Huge 2-story detached garage. Lots of newer items including roof, HVAC, kitchen, cabinets, granite countertops, and stainless appliances. Kitchen has tile flooring, tile backsplash, and is very spacious. The main living has laminate flooring, updated light fixtures, extra bonus room which would make a great office. There are 2 bedrooms, 1 bath down, and 2 bedrooms, 1 bath up. Huge backyard totally fenced. Detached garage has second level for tons of storage and power. Fruit trees. Garden boxes.